game is really looking to be a fun one right from the get-go. Bailey curls it beautifully! Oh, right into the corner! Leon Bailey, who's found his scoring touch. 2 in the Europa League midweek. We got some in the weeks previous to that as well. Leon Bailey with his 3rd goal of the season.
This guy's absolutely on fire. Smart decision to play the 2-1 on the wing, and I don't know whether that was intended as a cross or a shot. You just have to get it right in that area, put some pace on it, perfect curl of the ball, and then it's either a good cross or a shot like it ended. It's tremendous skill level from Bailey for sure.
Interception there. Now there's trouble. Bailey makes it 2 with a gift of a goal. A back pass from hell. Sees Hoffenheim go another goal down. Leon Bailey. What an awful pass.
He was even looking up. Must have missed him completely. It's very unlike Kramaric. Really is.
Bailey with his right foot for a change. Passes the ball onto target. A howler of a goal. Leverkusen on top of the Bundesliga. Leon Bailey on top of the world.